This one-pan, vegetarian, creamy mushroom and lentil rigatoni might just be your next favorite recipe. Made with nutty Napolina lentils and aromatic porcini mushrooms, this is a dish that you have to try. Here's how to make it. In a frying pan, add the Napolina Olive Oil, followed by the onion, garlic, carrot and celery, chopped parsley, and salt and pepper to your liking, and fry for around 3 minutes until soft and fragrant. Add in the Napolina Lentils, the Napolina Tomato Puree, hot vegetable stock, red wine, double cream, porcini mushrooms, bay leaves, then mix together well. Then reduce to a simmer, stirring occasionally for around 30 minutes until the sauce has reduced and thickened. Next, add in the cooked Napolina Rigatoni and toss together in a rich and aromatic sauce. Then serve up into 2 bowls and finish with a handful of grated Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley, and get stuck into this hearty, one-pan Italian recipe that will make you everyone's favorite dinner host.